office in 1989. Each president gets to decorate the office in the way they so choose. If you were invited into the Oval Office, you would come in through that door over there. This door opposite me goes to an inner dining room where President Reagan would have lunch with Vice President Bush on Thursdays, and then a small inner dining room. This door that you'll exit through goes to the cabinet room and the secretary's office, and this one goes out to the Rose Committee. So that's your bearings on how it all goes. Most of the things in here are replicas. Some of the originals are those little miniature saddles over there. That was a gift to President Reagan from the Annenberg Foundation. And then the soldiers underneath the plexiglass over here are a gift from the Belgian government to commemorate the 40th anniversary of the Battle of the Bulge. The desk is better known as the Hayes Resolute desk. It was, because it was made out of the ship, the Resolute, a British ship abandoned in American waters. We found it a year later. We refurbished the ship, sent it back to England. They used it for another 25 years. And when they decommissioned the ship, Queen Victoria had the desk made as a thank you and sent it to President Hayes, therefore the Hayes Resolute desk. It was originally a partner's desk, so it only had the two pedestals, and the centerpiece was added by President Roosevelt because he had polio and didn't want anyone to see his legs. And then President Reagan added on the bottom rim there that you can see it's a little bit different from the rest of the desk because he brought his chair from the governorship of California and he kept sitting sideways, and everyone said, well, why are you sitting sideways? He said, because my legs won't fit under the desk. So they elevated the desk so that he could sit at the desk. Two of his favorite sayings on top of the desk: "It can be done." Didn't like it when people would say but. He said, no, figure it out. And there's no limit to what a man can do or where he can go as long as he doesn't mind who takes the credit. So that's my story. Got it good? Is that great? Good.